Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to reset your WorldRemit account's password. If you've forgotten your WorldRemit account's password during the login process, then here is how you can easily solve the problem and get back to your account in no time. So the first thing to do is to open a web browser and type in WorldRemit.com in the URL box and press enter to get to the official website of WorldRemit. Once you're inside the main homepage for WorldRemit, go ahead and click on Login at the top right corner to end up in the sign in area. Then you will be prompted to sign in using your email and password. If you're having trouble remembering your password, click on this forgotten password reset here link, and then on the next page enter your email address that is associated with WorldRemit. Now click on continue. You will then receive an email with a password reset link. So go ahead and open up your email inbox associated with the account. You will then receive an email from WorldRemit customer service. Click it open and click on reset my password. Now create a new password for your WorldRemit account and type it down in the text box. After creating a new password, click on continue and you will then be able to create a new password. Now you will need to enter the email and the new password that you just created and click on continue to log into your account. So that is how you can easily reset your password for WorldRemit even if you've forgotten the login password during the login process. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.